In this video, I'll show you how to create job alerts on LinkedIn. Job alerts on LinkedIn are a simple way to stay updated when new roles match what you are looking for. LinkedIn says you can create alerts from a job search and choose how often you want to receive them, and it also notes that the maximum number of job alerts you can have at one time is 20. To get started, open LinkedIn and go to the Jobs section. Search for the kind of role you want by entering a job title, keyword, skill, company name, or location. Once the search results appear, use the filters at the top to narrow things down. For example, you can filter by location, experience level, job type, workplace type, or other details. LinkedIn says that after you apply your filters, you can turn on the alert for that specific search. If you are on desktop, look near the top left of the search results page for the Set Alert toggle. Turn it on, and LinkedIn says a pop-up will confirm that the job alert has been created. After that, click Manage Alerts so you can choose how often you want to receive updates and whether you want them by email, LinkedIn notifications, or both. If you are using the mobile app, the process is also very easy. Search for a job, then on the results page, switch on the toggle next to Get Job Alerts for this search. LinkedIn says the alert will default to daily updates, and you will receive both email and LinkedIn notifications unless you change those settings later. You can also create alerts for a specific company. LinkedIn says you can search for the company, open its page, go to the Jobs tab, and then choose Create Job Alert. On mobile, there is an ad icon next to the Job Alert option on the company page. This is useful when you want updates from one employer, even if you are not searching broadly across the platform. If you want to edit or remove alerts later, LinkedIn has a separate Job Alert management area. On desktop, go to Jobs, then Preferences, then Job Alerts. On mobile, LinkedIn says you can go to Jobs, tap the More icon, and open Job Alerts, where you can edit or delete them. That's how to create job alerts on LinkedIn. Search for the type of job you want, turn on the alert for that search, manage how often you want updates, and let LinkedIn notify you when matching roles appear. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.